Audiolithic Mac got the info. Yeah, Audiolithic Mac got the info.
What's good, everyone? Audiolithic Mac, and I'm back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the process of creating drum kits, right? I'm going to show you the entire process, right, of creating drum kits. Now, the first thing I do, right, is I got drums right here. I got drums right here, little drum sounds right here that I play, and then they go through the analog gear and then back into here. Well, of course, into there and then back into here, right? There, the links, right? Pro Tools HD back into here, right? So as you can see here, I have my drum sounds. I've already named them, right? So I'm going to go through the process, all right? I'm going to take a sound and I'm going to name that sound. I'm going to show you the process right here. So I've recorded some drums right here. So what I'm going to do, so normally I record the drums. I have the drums right here. So I go right here, I blow them up, go use this tool right here to expand the sound, right? Pro Tools Ultimate. Then what I do, I go to edit, right? Here's edit. Go to edit, right? And then I hit strip silence. So I select strip silence, select that, and then these parameters pop up right here. Now I'm going to manipulate these parameters. I'm going to show you what happens if I manipulate these parameters, right? I'm manipulating these parameters right here. There we go. Right. Right here. So let me go ahead and select. All right. Now, as you see here, everything has been separated. All the sounds separated, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and select this here. All the sounds has been separated. Let me go ahead and select strip. Select strip, separate, excuse me, hit separate, then select strip. And as you can see there, all the sounds, all the individual sounds that are one shots have been stripped of the data in between, the silence in between, or the data where there's no real pertinent audio or wave signature right there. That has been deleted, right? That has been deleted from the file, right? So I'm going to select and exit out of here. Now I'm going to blow this up right here by hitting the plus sign, blowing up the file. So I'm blowing up the file, right? Let me get back right here. Let me minimize a little bit. All right, so I'm going to select this file here, right? Now I'm going to blow it up. Blow up the file. Right? Now, what I'm going to do is some cleaning up, right? So I'm going to select this right here, which allows me to pretty much select any region on the grid, right? I'm selecting this region here. I'm going to select edit and cut. Now that region is cut, right? It's cut. So now I'm going to minimize it, and now we have our wave file right there. Now I can also manipulate the sound by using automation. So I select the finger hand tool right there. Select the hand tool and click the point in which I want to automate right here. So I click that point and the very end. And I just lower this down, right? And then I can create some automation right there by lowering that down. All right. And I also can, let me go undo this. Let me blow it up a little bit more. All right. Now you can see here, I'm going to show you something that's kind of interesting. You see there's no data right here. But say for instance, if I raise this up, I'm going to raise this all the way up. And as you can see here, there's data. There's noise, right? There's noise. Now, for a lot of you guys out there, right? When you start stacking tracks together, especially with analog gear, you're going to have this noise, right? But what you want to do to get rid of that noise, automate it and take it out, right? So just that one shot, right, will just hit without any other noise as a tail. That's what you want. So that's a little secret from me. Right now, I'm going to go back here to the drum sounds right here. Now I already have these drums named, right? I already have them named and everything, right? So I select these sounds. So as you can see here, I have all the sounds, right? All the sounds right here. So what I did was just simply highlight every sound. I highlighted every sound that I have named right here, right? In the clips field. I go in, select export clips as files. I go ahead and export the files and I choose my direction right there. And you see I've already done it. AM new drums, second round. Hit export and I'm finished. And the drum kits are ready. Now, as I showed you, right, previously, no one should be paying for drums.
just a touch of the light. So clear and right. Flowing so easy, flowing so easy. Nothing to hide, nothing just staying inside. Ooh, soft focus, soft focus. Keep it centered. Keep it centered. Keep it light, keep it light. The rhythm is home, the rhythm is home. Finding a way, finding a way. Nothing left to say. Ooh, stay smooth, stay smooth. Ooh, smooth pulse, smooth pulse. Just a touch of the light. Just a touch of the light.